Hello and welcome to another update video about FET. On the FET chart, yeah, it is still technically possible that it's continuing to move higher here in this B wave. Within the detailed wave count here, we suggested that this is possible as long as it's holding the golden ratio at 21.6 cents. And it's good to see that we had a positive reaction to that support level. So again, you know, you can use these boxes to find an entry if you like to, typically. That's up to you. If it's orange, it's in my opinion low probability. It worked, okay, and then it's always worth to watch it like a hawk, you know, and to move up your stop loss or take partial profits when it worked. But yeah, I mean, trading a wave 5 is typically not the best idea. You would typically want to trade the third wave. Nevertheless, this reacted nicely, not very aggressively. And this currently looks just like a corrective move up. So I have to assume at this stage that it will break. This is also why initially I put it in orange anyway. Bear in mind, the question here was on this chart anyway, on the FET chart, is this just, is this still in the making? Do we get a clear 5-wave move up and it starts to lose the right look? So one more high is still possible from here. But as soon as we break below 21.6 cents, I would say it's probably not really, well, it's still, everything is possible, but we want to focus on what is probable, right? So below that level, I have to assume that things are not going to turn out well. So yeah, I mean, I shouldn't say that because the forecast is still for another low in the C wave, right? That's still the forecast here. The question is only, do we get one more high in a wave B? That's possible at this stage, especially as long as it's holding that support region. But what I'm telling you is that the price action off the low is not very convincing. Now, we all know that cryptos can always surprise, but unless it really breaks above the Friday high, or Saturday high it was, at 24.2 cents, there is an increased risk that this will fail because this is a clear 3-wave move to the upside, okay? But yeah, I mean, the levels are very clear, I think. So far, it seems like a 3-wave move to the upside. That could certainly be a complete ABC or WXY structure, and the B wave is complete. It would be a shallow B wave. Ideally, we wanted to touch the 50% FIB level, and you know, corrective waves can always change. They can always morph. They can always transform. So that's something I'm observing still. Is the B wave still unfolding? And if we go deeper into the support area, it might provide another high reward, low risk entry point for anybody who's interested in these altcoins or AI coins. Yeah, but at the moment I just don't see, I haven't got a clear signal that a lasting low has been established yet, which is of course, you know, it could be, you know, we've been in this correction since February. It hit here this trend reversal area the first time, generated a potentially profitable trade, hit it a second time, generated a potentially profitable trade, hit it a third time, generated, even though on the small scale, a profitable trade. If it enters it again, yeah, this could be another potential to reset a little lower, right? So just be aware of that. I still give it fair chances in an upcoming bull run, obviously, to run. And if it does, then it should do it from this region between 17.8 cents and 8.8 cents. If it comes down once more into the larger orange support region, it should ideally land below the A wave low. So ideally, actually hitting 13.3 cents or 8.8 cents. These are the key support levels in the orange box. The 50% FIB level was already triggered a couple of times, but ideally in a C wave, we wanted to go a little lower, okay? Yeah, that's my update about FET. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.